Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video is a short video on my road trip to St. Thomas. So take a look. There have been work going on, so take a look and enjoy. So yes guys, we're getting highway in St. Thomas, and as a result this is what is taking place and what we have to traverse in the meantime. So take a look. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this is just a fraction of what is taking place. And then this happened guys. I'm stuck into traffic, allowing the tractor to do its work. And then on my return trip, I get to cool down and wash off my heart with some coconut, real jelly coconut. Yeah.